Most commonly committed Google My Business mistakes. 1. Incorrect business information. The last thing you want to do as a business owner is promote your company but with the wrong name. If you go overlooked for a long time, one minor mistake in the spelling can make a huge difference for your business. Because when you realize it, you will already have lost a good deal of customers to a minor ignorance. The business name is one of the things that can go wrong on your Google My Business profile. There are many others, such as the address, the link to the official website, and many others. The baseline is that you must double-check every letter mentioned in the information about your business. 2. Not updating your Google My Business profile. According to research, the number of "near me" searches on Google has increased greatly during the past few years. The number is only going upwards. This makes Google My Business profile a golden opportunity for businesses to attract potential customers from their area. However, no golden opportunity comes requiring no work on the part of the person getting it. Likewise, those with a listing on this business platform by Google need to work on their listing regularly. You have to keep your customers informed about your timings. Not updating your profile will repel many people who could have been your regular customers. Click the link to learn more.